Okay, are we ready? All we're gonna do, I'm gonna leave. Okay, I kept thinking I still wanted this Mackenzie child look on it because I really do like it and I like decorating with it, and my house has, little by little, I'm doing more DIYs, and I got a few things at the barn sale that they do every year. And since they didn't have it last year, I saved up, and they had it this year, so I got some pieces which I'll share with you in a haul. But all that to say, I wanted to keep this, and I thought, you know what, the green will still go with autumn, and especially the colors that I'm going to use. Okay, so we're going to keep these, the bows, and I'm going to take off everything else. And I think I'm going to leave this, because what this is this is rosemary. That's all it is rosemary. So I'm gonna put the autumn leaves in with this. So let me show you now the flowers that I'm going to use in it. So I'm going to move this real quick. And this is for anyone that didn't see my haul, okay? That's really, or to just let you see it again. Okay. So I have this pumpkin, and this is going to be my main focus, my main piece in the wreath. But I thought that is so pretty, and that was at Hobby Lobby. I already took the price off, but if you go back at my haul, you'll see what it is, because I can't remember. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use these. These are picks that were at Hobby Lobby, and I believe, well, again, you can go look. I think these were $3.99. So anyway, I have the hydrangeas like you guys saw in my little floral DIY for the kitchen. So I still wanted to go with the same color scheme, but I wanted to use a different flower for the most part. So I got this really vibrant rust and this really deep burgundy, which is going to be beautiful with this off-white pumpkin. And then I did buy one of these hydrangeas, the rust. And then, oh, here, I saw the price on these, $3.99, you guys, $3.99 regular. And then the green, which will match what I just showed you in the ribbon. So these are the flowers that I'm going to use. Then I'm going to use just a couple pieces of the autumn leaves, but then I'm going to come in, remember? I got a couple of these. And I have looked, and do you know they don't have any more? And they haven't stocked anymore, so I got these at the nick of time. So these were at Hobby Lobby as well. So I'm going to use this because the white is, or the cream, is going to go perfectly with this. So now I'm going to go get my wire cutters. We'll come back, we'll disassemble what we have, and then we'll put it together. Okay, so I took everything off of the wreath, and I think this is going to work, guys. I put the pumpkin in, and I just stuck it into the grapevine. And I'm going to leave the greenery, because I think when I put in the leaves, I think it's going to work fine, because I'm using this green as filler. Okay? But I just want to get some color of the autumn leaves in here. And this is what I like so much about the grapevine, is you can just stick them in. And you don't have to worry about everything being, you know, stuck in there with glue, with the hot glue. Okay, and then I'm going to go in, and it's just a matter, for me anyway, I mean, I'm not a florist and I've never proclaimed to be. I'm just putting things in where I think it's going to look good. And then I think we'll put this burgundy in here. And I always try to remember what it's going to look like when it's up. So I always stand it up because when you're doing a wreath, it's going to be standing, not laying, right? This green's going to bring in this ribbon. I think I'll bring the green down here. I leave enough wire to where I can move these around. Oh yeah, it's going to be pretty. And then I want to get some of the white. I have my glue gun out, but I don't think I'm going to need it, you guys. I think I'll put a little bit more rust. I will have to use a little bit of glue to glue this down in. And I put all of my white pumpkins that I got onto my mantle, but I think I'm going to take a couple of them out. Let me plug in my glue gun. Let me get one of these pumpkins. I'm going to need one more pumpkin because I need at least to put 3 in. This one doesn't have a stem, so I'm going to have to glue that. So I'll put that there. And I want this one showing good. I think I'll put this, well, maybe I can put this. We don't need so much of that wire. So I'm not really adding a whole lot as far as a lot more flowers, but I am bringing in enough to where you've got some color going on here. And I thought I had a little bit more of this. Where did that go? Oh, you guys, where did it go? I'll be back in just 1 second. Okay, I got it. Just a little bit more. See how I have a little bit of the autumn colored leaves? I just didn't want to buy a lot, you guys. I'm going very minimal on my fall decor because I'm getting into it so late. So I'm going to, you know, I'm not going to have this up as long as I will my Christmas, and I'd rather get into my Christmas this year. Okay, I need just a little bit more of this. Okay, I put a little bit more right here. Waiting for the glue gun. Going to glue this on here and I'm going to call it done. I'm going to glue these ribbons just a little bit more so they stay a little bit better. Okay, now I need to just fluff up this ribbon a little bit. Cool. I think that turned out very pretty. And I'll show you when I have it up on the wall. Okay guys, I am so sorry. It's at night, but I have to get this filmed. But you'll see it when I show you what I did when I decorated for fall this year. And like I said, it's not going to be much, not like I've done in the past. I just got so late in doing it that I'm going to concentrate more on Christmas. I mean, I did decorate, but not nearly as much. So let's look the best you can see, and I'll do it during the day so you can see it better when I show you what I did in the family room. And it's so dark in here you really can't see that burgundy flower very well, but so there it is, guys. There is our fall wreath for 2021. Guys, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world no one else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.